Ooh, ooh. That is bringing something to the party I'm not used to. It's experiment time. We're going to cook turkey breast 2 different ways. In this corner, we have turkey cooked with butter, and in the other corner, turkey cooked with tallow. Butter, tallow. Which one's going to win? Let's find out. What you see before you are 2 turkey breasts, roughly about 3 pounds apiece. In my area here in Tennessee, it's not as easy to get turkey breasts like this off the bone. Usually you find those butterball packets wrapped up in twine. I don't necessarily like those all that well. So what I have begun doing, when I find turkey on sale, you can find them 59, 69 cents a pound. Buy a large one, cut it apart. You get 2 turkey breasts for $12, $13. Plus you have extra meat. You can make stock out of the carcass. So a number of uses, and it's a way cheaper option. So keep that in mind. We are going to do these turkey breasts Texas style. If you go to any Texas barbecue restaurant and you find turkey, it's going to have the skin removed. It's most likely going to be seasoned with salt, pepper, maybe some Lowry seasoned salt. Just remove the skin. Skin's off. Just going to clean up some of these scraggly edges here. Going to flip these over. If you have any of these tendons in here, you can go ahead and remove those as well. They're just going to get chewy. For seasoning this, it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to go 16 mesh black pepper. Always start with the bottom side first. Next, we're going to hit it with some kosher salt. I'm using Diamond Crystal kosher salt, but you can use Morton's or whatever you're comfortable with. Flip them over and repeat. I have found in my many visits to Texas that turkey breast is usually the sleeper of the menu items. It is always tender. It's always juicy. 90% of the time, it's cooked in a ton of butter, which helps. And that got me thinking, what's going to work better, tallow or butter? If you know the answer, if you've tried this, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. And for the top, one last little trick. We're going to add some Lowry seasoned salt. Again, we've already salted this, so you don't have to go nuts. For a presentation, the restaurants in Texas, what they're going to do, if you cooked it like this, it's going to be very flat. It's going to probably dry out. So what they tend to do is roll the ends under, and it almost kind of starts to look like a loaf. To save some trouble, I have put the turkey breast on this rack. This will go directly on the smoker. That way I don't have to worry about moving turkey breast individually. I can just lift this rack up when we're done. And now, out to the pit. Putting the turkeys on, we're gonna let them go till they hit about 125, maybe 130 degrees. We're going to look for some nice color on them. Then we're going to wrap one in butter, one in tallow. We have hit 130 degrees on the internal temp. So what I'm going to do is put this face down. Going to take this entire stick of butter. And yes, this is not a way to lose weight, but it sure is delicious. It's going to go right on top. And we're going to double wrap it in foil. You're going to have it tight. You don't want a lot of air in there. And it's back onto the pit. The other one, nice color. If you wait until 130 degrees, that way you're going to have some nice color and the rub is not going to come off on you once you start wrapping it up. This is some smoked tallow that I made from some trimmings from a brisket I cooked a while back. If you want to know how to make tallow, it is not difficult. I'm happy to show that in a video. Drop me a comment and let me know. Again, double wrap. Again, this is not going to take long with it wrapped up in double foil, so don't walk away for too long. I'm going to start checking this again in maybe 20, 25 minutes and see where we are temperature-wise. I'm gonna let this turkey ride until we hit 160 degrees internal, then I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna let the carryover carry it up to 165. Don't wanna overcook it, even if it's soaking in butter. So here we have cooked in butter, cooked in tallow. Just from looking at it from this angle, I can tell you the butter seems to have a bit more of a sheen to it. Let's cut in and see what we got. There's the butter, and there's the tallow. Definitely juicy. Since this is Texas influence, Texas style, I'm going to dunk this piece in the butter. And I'm gonna dunk this piece in the tallow. Ooh, that's hot. And there we go. Let's compare. Traditional butter. I mean, it's turkey soaked in butter. I mean, it's hard to go wrong with that. Really, really good. Seasoned really well. Not overly salty. Just the right amount of pepper kick. The butter-coated turkey is giving me memories of being a kid on the Gulf Coast, going to a seafood restaurant, getting crab legs that I'm dipping in clarified butter. It's a very nostalgic feel. Tallow. Ooh, that is bringing something to the party I'm not used to. At least not with turkey. Turkey can be a bit of a blank palate. It can kind of take on whatever you throw at it. And I'm definitely getting that tallow flavor. Is really punched this up a notch in my opinion. Both of them are great, and it's hard to go wrong with either one. But if I'm being honest with you, just, you know, from my immediate reaction, I might give a slight edge to the tallow. Ooh, that's really, really, really good. Okay, yeah, dude, that's good. It's kind of awesome. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. And every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue to spread the word. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.